Coming here, Reykjavik was incredible. It was a fantastic workshop, so well organized, and all the activities that we did really brought us into Icelandic culture in a way that I would have never hoped. And just the way the workshops is organized, you get all this quality time with your colleagues from the rest of Europe and all the associations, and you really get to bond and talk about all the things that matter in our industry, and it's a great privilege. And I don't think that there are many other situations that you can find where you can have this sort of engagement with associations. So it was great, and I really recommend it to everybody to come.
Really happy to have participated in this wonderful workshop, made great connections with associations and other destinations from all around Europe. This is a great way of getting to know new clients. I really recommend it, really recommend Iceland, and thank you very much to ICCA and the wonderful colleagues here for making it happen.